Let's learn from I to L today. This is how you write an uppercase I, and this is how you write a lowercase I. I is for iguana, ice cream, ice cube, and igloo. This is how you write an uppercase J, and this is how you write a lowercase j. J is for jump rope, jacket, jaguar, and Jupiter. This is how you write an uppercase K, and this is how you write a lowercase k. K is for kangaroo, koala, kite, and king. This is how you write an uppercase L, and this is how you write a lowercase l. L is for lizard, lock, lion, and lollipop. Now let's do a short quiz. Which one of these letters is letter K? If you said this one, you are correct. Which one of these is letter I? If you said this one, you are correct. Which one of these start with the letter J? If you said Jupiter, you are correct. Which one of these start with the letter L? If you said lollipop, you are correct. Tune in next time when we learn from M to P on Easy Breezy Learning.